In this video, I'm going to show you how to add highlight on Instagram without posting a story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then swipe to the right to start creating a story. From here, you can take a picture or tap at upload icon and upload some photo, and then all you have to do is hit there on next, and among these options select close friends. Then you can tap on close friends, and here, as you can see, some person is selected. That's actually my another account, and you can add here your another account, or from here you can select some random person from suggested. Later we will delete this person, and then just tap on share and hit on done. Now here you just published a story, just tap on it, then tap on more, then story settings, and here you can quickly tap at close friends and deselect person that you added before, and then tap on done. So for now, as you can see, you just shared your story to just your close friends, but now you have here 0 people, so nobody are able to see your story now. And then you can tap on done, then tap on highlight, and from here you can add this story to highlight. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.